Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Indications or criteria for stopping the treatment of acute severe malnutrition. Absence of edema for minimum of 2 weeks, and any one of these, that is mid-arm circumference, should be more than or equal to 12.5 centimeters, or weight for height is less than -2 standard deviation or above. So if there is absence of edema for minimum of 2 weeks with either mid-arm circumference more than or equal to 12.5 centimeters, or weight for height is less than -2 standard deviation or above, then we can stop the treatment.
So we can stop the treatment when there is no edema for 2 weeks, along with any one of these two, like mid-arm circumference more than 12.5 centimeters, weight for height is less than -2 standard deviation or more.
thank you and thank you for watching.